In today's video, I am going to teach you how to edit Shopify Robots.txt file. To begin, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you are inside your store admin, look to the left-hand menu and go to Online Store. Then click Themes. This is where Shopify stores your current theme and gives you access to the files that control how your storefront works. On the Themes page, find your active theme. This is the theme your live store is currently using, so make sure you are working on the correct one before making any changes. Next to that active theme, click the three dots to open the Additional Options menu. From that menu, select Edit Code. This will open the Theme Code Editor, where you can create and manage theme files. Once you are in the code editor, look at the folder list on the left side and find the Templates folder. This section contains template files that Shopify uses to control specific types of pages and system-related outputs. Under the Templates folder, click the option to add a new template. This is the tool Shopify provides when you need to create a file that does not already exist in your theme. A small setup window will appear. In the first drop-down menu, choose Robots. When you select Robots, Shopify will automatically set the file type to .txt. This is important because the robots.txt file is a plain text file that gives instructions to search engine crawlers about which parts of your site they should or should not access. After selecting Robots, click Done. Shopify will then generate the default robots.txt.liquid file for your theme. This gives you a starting version of the file that you can review and edit as needed. The Add Liquid format means the file can include Shopify logic while still outputting a robots.txt file for search engines. At this point, the file has been created successfully, and you are ready to make any necessary adjustments directly inside the editor. As you work, be careful not to remove important default rules unless you fully understand how they affect crawling and indexing. Even small changes in a robots.txt file can impact how search engines interact with your store. That covers everything you need to know.